Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. This is the M2 missions, and this one is the 1969 Chevy Camaro SS slash RS 396. And yeah, this one comes with the acrylic case. Okay, before that let me show you this, guys. So this is limited to 9,000 pieces worldwide, and let's unbox and see how this one looks. I think one side is enough. Okay, so the previous Chevy which we unboxed had a cool artwork on the banner behind. Let's see what this one has. I don't think this one has any artwork. It just has the logo here. As you can see, nothing much. Okay, let's put the box here and let's remove the case. I don't know why it is so tight. Oh my god, it is very tight. Not sure if something is sticking here or... Okay, just give me a second, guys. Let me just open this one and come back. So here it is, guys, taken out of the case. I mean the acrylic case. And here is the base. So the base has really nice pattern to it, like a sharp floor. And yeah. Okay, let's put this aside for a minute. Okay, let's look at the car now. Okay, so the initial impressions of this car, the paint job looks really nice. It doesn't have any, yeah, maybe there is slight paint bubble here on the top. I think you guys can see here. It is not that noticeable, but under lighting like this, if it is directly hitting at that specific spot, you can see it's a bit heavy. And okay, here in this one, the entire chassis is actually made of metal. There are no plastic parts here, and tires are made of rubber. The rims looks really nice. Okay, so it has some nice engine detailing to it. And so the headlights, this part is actually embossed. On top of that, it is painted. The logo placement is a bit good. And I think this one is the fog light, if I'm not wrong. So it is actually painted. So the tail lights, they actually put some piece here. I think it looks kind of plastic, but I'm not sure what it is. But on top of that, it's painted. Okay. So the doors are openable in this one. And let's open this. Okay, this one is a bit tight. Okay, here it is. So this one is also a left-hand drive. So it has a roll cage in. Let me show you this side, guys. So detail looks pretty good. You don't see any scratches on the windshields, both of the windshields. Still, this one is a bit wobbly. I'm not sure why that is. And it is like, I think it is getting locked somewhere here inside, not sure. So I know M2 machines doesn't have any suspension, but yeah, it doesn't have any suspension. Okay, let's do a roll test. No, it doesn't roll really well. So both of the wheel wobbles a lot, actually a lot than I actually expected. But the casting is pretty heavy. It's, one good thing is, it rolls. That's a nice thing. Anyway, we are not going to play with it. So you can see the rear wheel here, the width is really huge compared to the, front wheel. Okay, this looks really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.